Hi friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In today's video, I want to show you how to make an amazing light using this 100-watt bulb. Here you can see that there is 100-watt bulb. To make this light, I will use following equipments. I will use battery, mobile battery, 3-volt LED bulb, LED light. Here you can see that. To charge this light, I will use TP4056 module. To cool this light, I will use heatsink. And to assemble all these parts, I will use Elfie. Now let's make it. Dear friend, light and heatsink are connected. Now let's connect heatsink charging module. Dear friend, light has fixed. Now let's time for connection. There is positive wire of charging module and there is positive wire of battery. And there is negative wire of charging module. Charging point are fixed. Now let's time for connection light. Dear friend, there is negative wire of light. Negative wire will be connected directly to the battery. There is positive wire of light. Positive wire will be connected between the button. Dear friend, negative wire I connect directly to the battery and positive wire I will connect between the button. There is positive wire. So friend, all connection have been done. And there is button, there is light. I will remove light between the mirror. Here you can see that there is mirror. Now let's remove it. Then I will fix on the light. Dear friend, I removed this part. Here you can see that. Now let's fix it. So friend, here you can see that bulb have been fixed. Now let's time for testing. Here you can see that amazing light and amazing power of this light. Dear friend, if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe. Also press bell icon for my next project notification. Have a great day.